Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Fresha booking link. So, first, you may want to head over to fresha.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on this icon that is named Online Booking. Then, next, you're going to need to click on Link Builder. And from here, you may want to create a link that you can share with your clients. All you have to do is click on the Create Link button. So, of course, before you proceed, you must publish your Fresha profile. Proceed by clicking on Start Now. And from here, all you have to do is follow all the on screen prompts, answer details being asked, then just proceed until you get to the end. So, once you've published your store and once done, you can now proceed by heading back to Link Builder, then start by creating a link. And from here, you can just copy your link by clicking on it, and you can start sharing it to social media platforms for you to be able to start getting clients. You can also generate QR code so your clients can just scan this code that will redirect them to your online store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!